You know.
It's a heavy monkey. Almost threw you down.
I wasn't prepared. Okay, I'm ready now.
Okay,
Monkeys do like me. Is he cute?
Yeah.
Obviously they do.
that's why.
Yeah.
Right there. He really likes you.
Oh, hello.
See,
Hello.
He's hiding.
One of the youngest that comes in.
He's looking at
He's so
It's just
cute.
learning to come on people's head.
Hi.
Now maybe if you turn around and get his shoulder right there, and then I'll give you the foot here, he might try to come because he's just learning to come in people.
Oh,
Oh,
you
great.
just
So
took
we're
off.
We're training
Oh wait,
him
no,
in.
there he is.
I didn't know that.
I got a monkey necklace.
No, I don't. But I didn't want to ruin it for you.
Well, he's turning. Oh,
Oh, he's coming.
he turned my hand.
Don't worry.
Teresa,
Yeah.
you got a monkey on your side, and one's coming straight down.
That was great. I wish I could have gotten that.
Okay.
All right, we good?
Hi, you want to take a picture? Well done. Hi.
Oh, now she got two of them.
Okay, I've got two monkeys.
You have Beto and,
Come on,
and Mike.
Don't think of the.
This is Beto.
Hi, Beto.
So we have Junior. That's George.
Rice. Hi, George. Rice up.
Hi. I don't know.
Yes.
Oh, that monkey was
Ooh.
speeding.
What is that on me?
That's pee-pee.
Why? Why? So
No.
wait, was the first time even legitimate pee or no?
No.